take our water, put it in a small pot. I used a 1/4 cup water. We turn that on and let that heat up and come to a near boil. This is where the time lapse comes in. Yeah, I'll definitely cut this.
So based on what I'm seeing with the time lapse,
Yeah.
try to move as slowly as possible. Like none of like, because
Yeah.
it seems like I don't, well, the display just went off.
Yeah,
But,
well, we'll cut that anyways.
yeah.
And once you've heated your water over medium heat to a near boil, you're going to add an equal part of granulated sugar. So we used a 1/4 cup of water, so we're going to pour in a 1/4 cup of sugar. And we are going to stir this until the sugar is completely dissolved. And what's going to happen is that the liquid, as the sugar dissolves, is going to turn clear. Definitely keep an eye on this because you don't want it to scorch. If it does start to boil, turn it down or turn it off. Then you're going to let that cool, and as it cools, it's going to thicken up, and that is going to be your simple syrup for our whiskey sours.